So today we are going to see double exposure effect by Canva. We want to go to element and here we select our image. Let's see what image. Okay, we'll go for this image. We can select here and we remove the background. Okay, now we need to go for second image, second page, and then click man in mountain, just like that, and we want to select a picture, second pick. Okay, so we'll go for this one and we'll go for the left side and the big one. Okay, it's done. And then we'll go for download and here second page done, download. Now we need to go for the first one, pick, and then we upload the file. Here you can upload, and here the picture. Now we need to drag some part and just some big, and then we need to go on apps and easy reflections, enter, and this easy reflection and create reflection, and you need to select the image, and then we need to select right and offset. In the offset we need to go for 60. You can go here and put the 60 and enter, and opacity 100%, and just apps to add to design. And you need to go now for this picture and sorry here, and now we need to delete this one, and we need to flip horizontal. Now we can remove the blank portion, and here you can drag here and drag here. Okay, now we want to go for zoom it. Now we can zoom again, lots of more zoom. Okay, here, and here also. Now remove the side part, just your now perfect. You can change here the offset level 60 to 85 and adjust it. Okay, then we will go for this background or blue color, this one. Okay, you can also choose the gradient this color, and here we can choose this option, and it looks better. And now we are going to some text, going for some text, and here, okay, this one, and we will go for the font, the W, this one, and we'll go for white color, and okay, this now we go for copy, and this also a copy, and now digital, now this one consultant, Okay, now we want some adjustment, and digit, okay, this one, and okay, this one. Okay, now perfect, everything is all right, and then you can download here, share and download. I think you love the tutorial, and if you see next video, then please like, share and comments, and also subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.